Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a very simple animation using the cube primitive that comes in the default view of Blender. So one of the first things you have to remember about animations is you have to define a start and then keyframe. And if you want it a little more complex, you can also define other keyframes within the start and stop. But for today we're just going to do a start and stop keyframe. So here we are, we have our main view. And I'm going to just turn it a bit so you can see it. And the first thing we need to do is at the bottom here is your timeline, and then just underneath that is the start. We're going to start on 1 and the end, and I'm going to press Control left mouse button, and it's going to be 50 frames. I'm going to scroll over to the right here, and we want to be able to capture the location, rotation, and scale. So anything we do there, and pretty much at this point we're ready to go. Just turn on this button here, and it's going to start recording whatever we do as we define them. So the first thing we want to do is we want to define the start frame. I'm going to bring it back over here because we just want it to go across, and that's the start frame. And then press this key here, and it'll insert a keyframe that saves the location, the rotation, and scale of this particular object. So I'm going to press here, and there we go. We just captured our keyframe. So now I'm going to go to 50 over here, and we're now on frame 50. And by frame 50, I want it to be over here. And I'm going to click on this button again, like so. And so you get this thing happening. And if I press play, it moves it. And that's all you need to do to create a very, very simple animation. So again, define the start frame, in this case 1, the end frame, here 50. Press the record button. Make sure you define the location, rotate, and scale, or whatever it is you want to define. And then each time you create a keyframe, just insert the keyframe.